Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's session, we will cover about the web server security, which is web application firewall, how we can protect our web server from the bot attacks or any other malicious activity or spamming. Okay, to unnecessary degrade our web server performance, we need to secure our web server. Okay, from the bot attacks. So for that, we can use AWS Service Web Application Firewall. In that, we can set up the captcha thing, which it will gives multiple puzzles to before entering into the particular websites. Okay, so if you are the new visitor of this YouTube channel, so please subscribe and share with your network, so that your friend circle will also get the more and more benefits of this real time videos. Okay, for the AWS DevOps. So let's jump to the main topic. So as you can see, so now I have this my LMS platform website, which doesn't have any captcha thing. Now I can simply just type oxito.net and I can directly land into my website. Okay, so if you want to enable captcha thing for this website, so how we can enable that, I will just show you quickly today. Okay, so that will basically to protect our website. So as we can see, normally when we try to sign up something in the user, we will see that captcha thing, right, which we need to verify that we are not a robot, we are the human. Okay, that is the point here. And to avoid unnecessary spamming activities or user registration from the fake script. Okay, fake registration basically. So that is the reason we need to add additional layer of security on our form or website or something, or applications, right? So for this, you can see for the sign up process, I have just enabled the Google captcha thing here. You can see the options. Okay, so now I will just show you in today's session how we can enable that for the main website. Okay, so for now I can just simply just, if I refresh, I can simply visit my website, right? So in today's session we will try to cover about the AWS WAF, which is web application firewall. It help us to protect our web server from the malicious activity, bot attacks or something like that, right? So here is the official documents which we can protect by using WAF, CloudFront, API Gateway, Load Balancer, or something, and other services, right? So you can just visit this link and you can just refer and just have a knowledge more on that. Okay, on the capture web application firewall stuff. So to keep this video short and simple, so we are going to set up web application firewall, which is WAF, to protect our web server from the bot attacks. Okay, so we can simply, so you can just simply search WAF here in the search box and we will land here. Go to the web ACLs, which is access control, and we need to create first web ACL. Okay, so I can quickly just create. You can just choose resource type. I am using load balancer here, so that is the reason I can go with this option, regional resources, which supports application load balancer, API gateway or something. If you have a CloudFront distribution, you can just select this option. Okay, so now I can select regional one, which is because I am using load balancer for my website, and just select your right region. In my case, I am using Mumbai region. Okay, and I can quickly give the name like demo web captcha. Okay, and quickly just click on add resource. You can select your resource type load balancer, and whichever the load balancer you want to enable this captcha thing for the additional layer of security. You can just select load balancer and just click on add and just click on next. Okay, rules we can add later, I will show you that. For now, default action should be allow. Okay, and just click on next. Again same thing and just click on next. Just review this page and click on create web ACL. Okay, it will take little bit time here, and if you try to create this, Okay, let me refresh this page. There might be some issues. Let me go back to this web ACLs. So it should created. Okay, demo web app captcha. Now let's try to associate our load balancer here, because that page gives error, right? So that is the reason it might miss. So just click on the resource type application load balancer, click on your desired load balancer name here, and just click on add. Okay, so it has been successfully associated with this web ACL, and in that we can add multiple rules. So for now I can just show you quickly the add my own rules. This one is paid one. You can just visit this if you want to paid one, but for now we can just go with this add my own rules, because I don't want to, I want to create it customize. Okay, just click on this rule builder, give the rule builder name like demo waf, for example, and give the condition like if a request match the statement. There is multiple conditions. Based on your requirement you can just select the statement here. Okay, and originates from the country in India, because I am from the India. So request coming from the India, that should valid show that puzzle, right? That capture thing. So that is the reason I have added this condition. Based on your requirement you can just select statement here. There are multiple statement available here. Okay, so for now just to make it simple I'm just selecting this request coming from the country India. Okay, and then in the action I'm just, if you want to block any particular request, let's say you want to block traffic from particular XYZ country, so you can just add the action here, let's say block. Okay, so that if any request coming from XYZ country, that will block. Okay, so for this session I'm just going to enable this captcha thing for the puzzle to make it secure, and just click on add rule and just save it. Okay, so now if I refresh this page, because as we have seen earlier there was no puzzle showing here. Okay, if I refresh this page now, so it should present that, right? See, so I cannot directly visit my website oxydo.net. I need to first solve this puzzle, right? Choose all the hats. I need to select all the hats like this, and I need to confirm. Okay, if that is the puzzle successfully resolved, then I can land into my website. Okay, if I try in incognito, you can see he will ask first, just confirm you are a human. He will ask like choose all the buckets. Okay, if by mistakenly if I miss something and I want to confirm, so it will not allow me to land into the website. Solve all the puzzle, choose all the chairs. So I need to select all the chairs here. All right. Okay, once everything is correct, it will allow me to visit my website. Okay, so this is the steps, which it's very simple and straightforward. You can just configure for your any Google form, or sorry, not Google form, your website, your application form or something like that. Okay, so this is how you can just configure. Now if you want to deassociate and remove this web ACL, because it's a chargeable, so I can simply go to the associated and just deassociate it. Just click on remove. Okay, just make sure after the practical complete you can just remove this. Okay, and just click on this rule, delete it, and finally we can delete the captcha thing. Delete, right? Now if I refresh this page, it will not ask me, because I deleted the web ACL rules, right? So this is how you can configure the web ACL captcha thing to protect your website, okay, from the bot attacks or any other spamming thing. So I hope this video is giving you the clear directions how you can set up this. Okay, so next, in the next session in the future, we will come to this more depth video, because WAF, which is web application firewall, has many more options here, you can see. Okay, so we will come to that with a separate video on that. Okay, so if you are the new users for this channel, so just definitely you should please subscribe this channel. Okay, and also share with your friend circles, so others also will get the benefit from these videos. Okay, yeah, thank you.